Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the parts of CPU. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to acknowledge and thankful for javatpoint.com for providing us the content of our video for today. So, parts of CPU. A computer is made up of multiple elements that help in processing and effective functioning. So, we have here the first portion, the first part of the CPU. So, CPU is acronym for Central Processing Unit. It is also known as the brain of the computer. CPU receives the instructions from active software and hardware. It produces the output accordingly. In addition, it stores data, instructions, and immediate results. The CPU controls the operation of all computer parts. CPU is installed in the motherboard on a specific area known as the CPU socket. Central Processing Unit or CPU equals Arithmetic and Logical Unit or ALU and Control Unit or CU. It carries out instructions and computer programs and perform all the basic arithmetic and logical operations. CPU has three major types: transistor CPUs, small-scale integration CPU, and large-scale integration CPU. So the components of our CPU are listed below. So we have here the arithmetic logic unit or ALU, control unit CU, and memory or storage unit. The parts of the CPU are shown the image now. So we have here the CPU, and then the components here we have the control unit adjacent to the arithmetic logic unit and the memory unit or the RAM. So let us discuss what is arithmetic and logical unit or ALU. As the name implies, the arithmetic and logical unit or ALU performs arithmetic and logical functions. The arithmetic functions are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and comparisons, whereas the logical functions mainly include selecting, comparing, and emerging the data. The complex operations are performed by making repetitive use of the operations mentioned above. ALU is the key part of the CPU. There can be more than one ALU in a CPU. Further, ALUs can be used for maintaining timers that help run the computer. N- Now, move forward and discuss the next part of the CPU is the control unit or the CU. Control unit or CU, the control unit is one of the crucial components of the CPU. It instructs the complete computer system to perform a particular task. It controls and coordinates the functioning of all parts of the computer. It takes instructions from the memory and then decodes and executes these instructions. The control unit mainly regulates and maintaining the information flow across the processor. It does not take part in storing data and processing. And then lastly, we have here the control unit. It is called random access memory or RAM. This unit temporarily stores data, programs, and intermediate and final results of processing. So it acts as temporary storage area that holds the data temporarily, which is used to run the computer. The memory unit supplies the data to other units of the computer whenever it is required to do so. It is called the primary memory or RAM. Main memory or the internal storage unit, the functions of the memory unit as listed below. The data instructions are required for processing are stored in a memory unit. All inputs and outputs are transmitted by the main memory. The memory unit also stores the immediate results and the final results of processing. That's all about the parts of the CPU. So there are three no components of the CPU: arithmetic in logical unit or ALU control unit, and the memory unit or the RAM, no random access memory. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the parts of the CPU. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.